Hi guys, I am planning to take a short position in Nifty because I find a good setup in Nifty while comparing to Bank Nifty. So let's take a short position at at market price 17,956. So the order got executed. Now let's keep the stop loss and target orders. 79,560 was our entry price. So my stop loss would be somewhere around 17,977 and my take profit would be somewhere at 17,930 36. I think I can keep my stop loss a bit higher and 79,33 will be perfect. So both the orders, let's keep the both the orders. Exit limit 17,933 and exit, what was the price? 17,977. Alright, so SLM 17,977. Okay, so both the orders are intact. I will update you guys once the target or stop loss is triggered. So guys, it's been almost 10 minutes from the time we took trade. I am now planning to take a grace stop loss, which means that I will be selling before the actual stop loss. The reason I will let you know at the end of this video. So I'm just confirming whether uh, to execute the grace stop loss order or not. So 79,655 is almost like 9 points after we took trade. So I took a gray stop loss of 9 points, 450 rupees. So guys, I'm planning to take second trade for today. So let's take short position at market price 39,120. Alright. So now let's keep our stop loss and target orders 39,120 and the stop loss order will be somewhere 75 points. I think I can reduce my stop loss order. Let me remove this one. 65 points would be great, I guess. Alright, 39,186 is the stop loss, and for target, I am planning a bit lower so that the RR would be great. Okay, 39,052. 39,052 will be our target. Let's place both the orders now. 39,120 was our enterprise. Exit SLM 39,186 buy. So exit limit 39,052. So both the orders are intact. I will update you guys once the target or stop loss is triggered. So guys, I'm going to book a great stop loss in this trade as well. So 39,130 market price. I'm going to sell at market price. Alright. So I guess the order got executed. Yes, the order got executed. Let's cancel the target order. So I have booked 700 rupees loss in both the trades and I have exited before the actual stop loss. Now let's look at the setup behind the trades that we took. We took two trades, one in Nifty and another one in Bank Nifty, and both the trades are short position, and both the trades were exited before the actual stop loss. That means like I booked gray stop loss. In case if you have hold on for the actual stop loss, both the stop loss stop loss orders would have been triggered. You can see 20 points in Nifty and 66 points in Bank Nifty. So I will share you the setup behind the first trade, the reason why I took and why I exited before the actual stop loss. 50 opened a gap down and the gap was around 65 points. So you can see it's 65 points and I took trade at 12.4. So 12.4 will be this candle. Yes. So first thing we can see there was a flag pattern, reverse flag pattern, and after breakdown there was a bit retracement. That's why I took short position. Let's draw from top to bottom. So you can clearly see it's getting rejected twice at 12.4 candle. First thing was the breakdown and second thing was the fib rejection. Also it opened a gap down, right? So in order to fill this gap there must be a good volume to fill this gap, but as of while I was taking trade there was not much of volume, so I expected that there would be some bearishness and my target was somewhere around this area or this area. But what happened is actually it reversed and as told you before, there should be some moment volume of buying in to fill the gap, and that is what happened in the later time. So how do I find out that I have to book the gray stop loss before it actually triggers? Is the simple reason I waited for this to reject from here. In case if it didn't reject, it likely to hit our stop loss. So you can see I exited at 17,965. Let me go to orders book. So I exited at 12.14. So 12.14 is this candle. So since it broke this 0.618 level, I exited, and the moment I exited you can see there was like 40 points move, around 40 points, 35 points. So that's why I took gray stop loss. So this is our first trade. We had confirmations, I mean multiple confirmations, but still we hit our it triggered our stop loss. So now let's go to the second trade which we took in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty we took at 12.45. So 12.45 is so this was the candle 12.45. So my setup was this. Let me remove this. So you can see there was a breakdown, and after breakdown there was some retracement. I took at this level. First thing was the this was acting as a resistance zone. Second thing, we got breakdown and we got the fib retracement. Let me draw this as well from top to bottom. So it was clearly getting rejected at 0.23 levels, and I entered this trade. What I didn't find out was this trend line. So this trend line I didn't found out while taking the trade. uh, I just thought that it would easily come to this level, I mean this level, and our target would have triggered. That's what I thought, and later I realized that there was it was getting strong support at this trend line. I knew that it was getting support at I exited at a market price which was around I think 39,130. You can see that I exited at 114. So 114 is, so it took support and I exited at around this level. Yeah, so this level. So first thing was the resistance zone. Second thing, we got breakdown and retest levels. So also I was having a bullish view on Nifty 50 since there was a good volume in Nifty 50 to fill this gap. This was the gap. Let me draw this. So this was the gap. At 114 we were having these levels. You can see that one good strong rally. So likely to fill this gap. That's why I don't want to wait for our stop loss to trigger, and I booked gray stop loss. So that made up to losing rupees 700. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you again in the next video.